But that had all that...
More! More!
Had a brilliant idea, or... Oh!
Yum, yum!
Smile on your face.
Yum, yum!
Talk of Australian folk songs. Oh. Struth! That man is torch. Oh, Nevy.
What?
Oh, I think we're going to need a bigger bucket. Yes. No! Whatever happens, just hold on tight. Doris!
Get out of bed! Get out of bed! Get out! Get out!
Walks away. The cabbage-like plant begins to grow and opens up like a big mouth.
Pardon me.
The sonic locator.